dealing with data, because we're going to get more and more data now. And if you look at the AI is basically AI is digital data. When you've got digital data, AI goes to work on that. It consumes that and it works on that. But even if you forget about the AI part of it, if you're looking at data in general, we need to be good with data. It doesn't mean you need to be able to do maths in your head, but it means that any data that you get that you want to share, you've got to be able to deliver it in a way that tells people that people understand it. Even people who are good with numbers, if you share numbers with them, it's easy for them to not grasp the value of the numbers. Let me give an example. And this is actually in Broome, this is the staircase to the moon. A beautiful thing in full moons in Broome, and I've been to Broome a number of times in Western Australia. And the last time I went to speak at a conference, it happened to coincide with the full moon. So I saw this staircase to the moon. I'm sure some people here would have experienced this as well. So this is the moon up in the sky, and what the staircase is actually not really a staircase, it's just a reflection in the water, and because it's because of the waves, it looks like individual steps creating this reflection. And it's only in this case because of the perspective that it looks like a vertical staircase, when in fact, of course, it's like horizontally the waves are leading out and the moon's right up in the sky. And the reason I'm sharing this is I reckon whenever you're talking about data, your job is to give people a perspective on the data you're sharing. The raw data itself is in one case maybe confusing, but also unless you give them a perspective, an angle on the data that you want them to focus on, it's really difficult for them to understand your point. They just see a number, 32, 64, and it doesn't mean anything unless you give it perspective. Let's do